Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to make this 3D model in SolidWorks. This is very useful for the beginners. Here we will learn many commands. So let's start to create this beautiful model. Now let me choose your file, new, and I'll choose here part. Even if you choose advanced, you will see parts like this. So no voice. I always prefer this one. So let me choose part. Okay. I'll select appearance, background appearance. I'll choose plain white. Documents, property, image quality I'll keep always higher. My file become higher, but size become higher, but it's the age of the age of the wall is very fine. Now let's start to create the model. Now see, the base is 90 by 64 and 33 millimeter height. I'll select here top plane, sketch, select a center rectangle and start with origin point. Right click, select smart dimension and let me assign 90 millimeter and this width 64 millimeter. Now that's it. Select exit from the sketch and select here extruded boss base. Now see, this height we need 33 millimeter. So in blind condition choose 33 millimeter. Blind means it will give you a one direction, either reverse, up and down, whatever dimensions. Even you can select here dimension 2 also, but we don't need that direction 2. Let me choose blind 33 upward direction. Okay, that's it. Now what next? Now next we will make this pyramid. It is from the top it is 60 millimeter and from this face to upper height is 37 millimeter, and the radius there is half circle, that is 20 millimeter. 60, 37, 20. So let's keep. Select here right plane, sketch, take the normal from here. Actually it is customized. You can directly select, drop down this menu and here select normal. I'll select here line and I'll start from this point to this point and connect, and from this center point to this point, exit. Now select this midline, select vertical and select construction geometry. It is for the reference purpose, that's it. Let me select here circle. Okay, now let's define. First let me define this 60 millimeter. Now height 37 millimeter and this radius 40 millimeter, or sorry, diameter 40 millimeter. Okay, now here choose trim entity, power trim. I just drag. Okay, now let's try to keep some relation here. Select this center point and this point horizontal. Okay, now select these two lines and center lines and create one relation called make symmetric. Now see, the drawing is fully defined. Exit and select extruded boss base. Now see here, now here in direction 1 we will keep the end condition is mid plane. Now see, it comes in both direction. Even if we choose only blind one direction, then you can choose direction 2 also. So let's try to do this one, and the direction is 42. So 42 divided by 2, it's 24. 24 here, 24 here, or even directly choose mid and 48, that's fine. Okay, now that's it. Now on the top there is cutout, 16 millimeter cutout, and you will see the height is 25. So let's make this cutout. I'll select this face, sketch normal. I'll choose center rectangle. Draw from origin point up to end line. Smart dimension, and this cutout width is 16 millimeter. Select isometric view, exit, and select here extruded cut. In features, select extruded cut. Now see, it's going downward direction, and the downward length is 25 millimeter. Okay, now that's it. This is what. Now we need to make some cutout. See, one cutout is here, 26 by 14 at the center, and here also 28 by 16 in both sides. So we will make first this one, then this one. 28 by 16, and here's 14 by 16. Select of face. Now here the height is how much? 37 plus here shown 8 millimeter, means 45. The cutting height is 45 from top face. So I'll select this face, sketch normal, center line. I'll draw a center line just up to here. Now let me select corner rectangle. Draw rectangle in both sides. Okay. Now let me select dimensions, 28 millimeter and 16 millimeter. Okay. Now let's select these two lines and make relation equal collinear. If you want to select these two, you have to use shift key. Press shift key and select both. Select this line and this line and make relation here. At your left hand side you will see the relation collinear. One more relation, balance, I think. Okay, the main relation, select this center of this circle and this line and create relation coincident. Now see, the drawing is fully defined. Select isometric view, exit, go to feature and select extruded cut, and this time we need to cut up to 45 millimeter downward. Now see how it's going down. Okay, that's it. See, now select this face, sketch normal. Now here we need to create a rectangle cutout. So select corner rectangle, draw a rectangle. First define this, 28 millimeter, 14 millimeter. Right click, select, and now select this origin point and this rectangle point and create relation vertical. See your left hand side, it's fully defined. Isometric view. Now we want to make throughout hole, so exit and select, oh sorry, we need to select extruded cut, so cancel extruded cut, and here we will select either we will select the full length dimension, or we have one option through all. If you choose through all, it will going to cut up to the end. Okay, that's it. So this is the simple model, 3D model in SolidWorks. It is very useful for the beginners. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video. Select appearance, and even you can go to appearance here, medium gloss plastic, yellow. Oh, it looks nice, vibrant. Okay, even if you like to add some dimension, you can do it by SolidWorks MBD. Now here you can select, let me choose your basic dimensions. I'll select this face and this face and drag 90. Okay, again select basic dimension, this face and this face, and drag here 64. Okay, basic dimension, this face and this face. Now select this face. Okay, it's coming in one direction, so this is coming 48 actually. So this is one of the way you can adjust your dimensions accordingly. So this is also a simple way to allocate dimension to any 3D parts in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.